In-Situ Permeable Reactive Barriers, or I-PRBs, are permeable treatment zones designed to passively intercept and treat contaminated groundwater. They are called permeable because, unlike traditional barriers such as sheet piling or slurry walls, they allow water to flow through while treating dissolved phase contaminants. If designed intelligently and installed correctly, I-PRBs can be a highly cost-effective and customizable remediation tool that environmental practitioners can use to achieve cleanup goals. There are a number of reasons to consider in-situ permeable reactive barriers to treat groundwater contaminants. Here are 7 compelling reasons why. Number 1. I-PRBs can last a long time. I-PRBs are a smart solution when longevity and reducing risk to sensitive receptors are concerns. For even longer-lasting I-PRBs, environmental professionals are turning to PLUME, a micron-scale colloidal activated carbon, and S-micro-ZVI, a sulfidated zero-valent iron. An environmental firm applied an I-PRB to protect a nearby fishing lake at an active metal fabrication works in eastern France, and at another site, an I-PRB was used to effectively treat PFAS at a former firefighting training site. With longevity ranging from years to decades, I-PRBs can be a very effective solution for long-term plume management. Number 2. I-PRBs can treat a wide range of contaminants. I-PRBs using zero-valent iron can effectively treat a number of chlorinated solvents, including PCE, TCE, and carbon tetrachloride, along with heavy metals such as chromium, lead, copper, zinc, and uranium, and nitroaromatic compounds. PLUME can also be used to treat emerging contaminants of concern, such as PER and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Number 3. I-PRBs can work quickly. Although I-PRBs are generally designed as long-term solutions, they can quickly produce short-term results. I-PRBs constructed with PLUME have demonstrated the benefits of rapid interactions with contaminants of concern. Many sites incorporating PLUME have seen significant drops in contaminant concentrations in a very short period of time, sometimes resulting in achieving site goals within days. Petrofix has also been installed at gas station sites as an I-PRB to rapidly remove hydrocarbons to meet targets within days, and unlike previous approaches, has been able to sustain these reductions below detection limits. Number 4. I-PRBs can reduce liability. I-PRBs can be very useful to prevent off-site migration and prevent contaminants from reaching sensitive site receptors, either as part of a remedial plan to completely remove the source or by providing a cost-effective long-term solution for plume management. Number 5. I-PRBs can save money. Compared to pump-and-treat systems, I-PRBs save capital costs over the long term due to a lower cost of operation and maintenance. A Department of Defense study demonstrates $3 million in savings using a ZVI approach versus the pump-and-treat method, the common alternative technology. Number 6. I-PRBs are environmentally friendly. With the advent of I-PRB materials such as 3-DME, Petrofix, S-micro-ZVI, and PLUME, all designed for ease of installation, reducing the carbon footprint associated with construction time and equipment is assured. Number 7. I-PRBs are flexible. Advances in I-PRB technology, such as improved installation techniques, increased injectability, excellent subsurface distribution characteristics, and intelligent amendment combinations mean that environmental professionals now have much more flexibility when optimizing remedial design for a wide range of sites. The unique benefits of in-situ permeable reactive barriers make them an important solution to be considered within any remedial strategy discussion. For more information on I-PRBs and REGENESIS, please visit our website at www.regenesis.com.